Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi and I am thrilled to have you here. And psoriasis is a widely misunderstood condition and today I am here to clear up the confusion. There are so many myths floating around that can mislead patients and make managing psoriasis even more challenging. In this video, I will be busting the top myths and revealing the actual facts behind them. So make sure to watch till the end to get the correct information and take better control of your skin health. And if your loved one is dealing with this condition, stay tuned because what you have about to learn might change the way you think about psoriasis forever. So myth number one is psoriasis is just a skin condition. Many people believe psoriasis is only a skin deep problem, but that's far from the truth. It's not just about red scaly patches, it's an autoimmune disease where the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy skin cells, leading to rapid cell turnover. This internal inflammation doesn't just affect the skin, it can also impact joints, causing psoriatic arthritis and even increasing the risk of heart diseases, diabetes and other health complications. Relying solely on creams and ointments may provide temporary relief but doesn't address the root cause. To indeed manage psoriasis, a holistic approach is necessary, one that includes dietary changes, stress management and Ayurvedic treatments. By treating the body from within, we can control inflammation, reduces the flare-up and promote long-term healing. Myth number two is psoriasis is contagious. Let us clear this up once and for all. Psoriasis is not contagious. You cannot catch it from someone through touch, air or shared item. It simply doesn't spread as infections do. This chronic condition is driven by genetic and immune system factors, not bacteria or viruses, which develop due to internal triggers rather than external exposure. Unfortunately, many people with psoriasis face unnecessary stigma because of this myth. The truth is they need support, not avoidance. So if you know someone with psoriasis, do not hesitate to stand by them. Awareness, kindness and understanding are the best gift you can offer. Myth number three, poor hygiene causes psoriasis. Many people mistakenly believe that psoriasis is caused by poor hygiene, but this is absolutely false. Psoriasis is not a result of dirt, uncleanliness or improper skin care. It is a genetic and immune related disorder that causes the skin to regenerate too quickly, leading to scaling and inflammation. While hygiene does not cause psoriasis, but harsh soaps, chemical-laden products or excessive scrubbing can worsen your symptoms and triggers flare-ups. Instead, maintaining a gentle and nourishing skincare routine can help soothe the skin by using natural ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil and neem, which have calming and anti-inflammatory properties that relieve and keep your skin hydrated. Myth number four, psoriasis only affects adults. Psoriasis can appear at any age, even in children, and in some cases it starts as early as infancy. Many people assume it's only an adult condition, but childhood psoriasis is more common than you might think. If left untreated, it can affect a child's confidence and overall well-being. Early intervention is key. Ayurvedic herbs help reduce inflammation, while a balanced diet and stress management can significantly improve symptoms. Parents should avoid harsh soaps and scented products which can trigger flare-ups, and if you notice red, scaly patches on a child's skin, consult the number mentioned in the video to ensure proper care and the right treatment. Myth number five, diet has no impact on psoriasis. While diet does not directly cause psoriasis, but it plays a crucial role in managing flare-ups. Certain foods can either worsen the inflammation or help calm it down. Processed food, dairy product, excessive sugar and non-veg are known to trigger inflammation, which can make psoriasis symptoms more severe. On the other hand, an anti-inflammatory diet can significantly help in reducing flare-ups. Fresh fruits, vegetables, omega-3 rich food like flax seeds and walnuts, and powerful Ayurvedic ingredients like turmeric and manjista support skin healing. I always recommend adding flaxseed, turmeric and green leafy vegetables to your daily meals to nourish your body and keep inflammation under control. Myth number six is psoriasis can be cured with steroids. Alone steroids may provide quick relief, but they only suppress the symptom temporarily. They do not cure psoriasis. Over time, excessive steroid can lead to the skin thinning, dependency and even worsening flare-ups once discontinued. In Ayurveda, the focus is on treating the root cause rather than just masking symptoms. Psoriasis is deeply linked to toxins in the body, poor gut health and stress. So a holistic approach is necessary. Detoxification, gut healing and stress management are crucial in long-term recovery. Herbal remedies like neem, giloy and ashwagandha help balances the immune system naturally, reducing your inflammation and providing sustainable relief. Last but not the least, myth number 7 is there is no effective natural treatment for psoriasis. This is one of the biggest myths about psoriasis treatment. Many believe that Ayurveda cannot effectively manage or treat psoriasis, but the truth is thousands of patients have achieved clear skin and long-term relief through Ayurvedic healing. You can see the before and after pictures of one patient who have successfully overcome their psoriasis. Their inspiring journeys prove that Ayurveda offers a safe and effective way to overcome this condition. With the right treatments and lifestyle changes, long-term relief is possible. Now that we have busted these myths, I would like to hear from you. Do you or someone you know struggle with psoriasis? Share your experiences in the comment box below. You can also contact us at the number mentioned in the video and we'll help you according to your condition. Remember, psoriasis is manageable and treatable. You're not only alone in this journey. Stay positive and healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and keep smiling.